So for question number 2, I'm going to explain why Prozac is a serotonin reuptake inhibitor. And to do that, let's talk about the synapse transmission. So you have a presynaptic cell and a postsynaptic cell. In the presynaptic cell, the neuron is going to release an action potential at negative 55 millivolts, and that's going to let out, or it's going to open up the voltage-gated sodium channels, which will eventually open up the voltage-gated calcium channels, and that's going to let the vesicles, which are just transport things, they're going to move the vesicles to the end of the plasma membrane, and that's going to let all the neurotransmitters come into the synapse, which is the space between the cells. And then they'll eventually get taken up by the postsynaptic neuron. Inside the synapse is where the neurotransmitters, in this case serotonin, can get retaken up by the presynaptic cell. And instead of going to the post, it would go to the presynaptic cell or neuron. And then at that point, instead of going to its next destination, it's stuck back where it started. So what Prozac does is it blocks the ability of the serotonin from going back to the presynaptic cell, so it can only go into the postsynaptic cell. And this is supposed to increase mood and make people happier, and that's why it's an antidepressant.